Introducing the ultimate solution for all your IT needs.
At Megabytes Computers, we're passionate about providing top-notch IT services and repairs to keep your technology running smoothly. Whether you're a small business owner, a busy professional, or a tech enthusiast, we've got you covered. Need a quick fix for your laptop or desktop? I am here to diagnose and resolve any hardware or software issues you may be facing. Say goodbye to frustrating glitches and slow performance. Looking to optimize your network and enhance your online security? We've got the tools and expertise to set up robust networks. Your peace of mind is our priority. Time for an upgrade? We've got a wide range of high-quality products to suit your needs, from cutting-edge laptops to powerful servers. I will help you find the perfect tech solution that fits your budget and requirements. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of what we do. Our friendly and responsive support team is just a phone call away, ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. We're here to ensure that you have a seamless and enjoyable tech experience. Discover the difference that professional IT services and repairs can make in your life. Trust Megabytes Computers to deliver reliable, efficient, and personalized solutions for all your IT needs. Call today to learn more and schedule a consultation. Don't let technology hold you back, let us take care of it.